Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to be going over this CarPak. It says CarPak Tech Crate. It's a thing that I got off the Snap-on truck for buying a tool. And so I'm going to show it to you. I opened the top of it to see what will, get it started, but this is what it looks like. First you open it up. First thing you see, you got a 2 and a from and a screwdriver. I mean, this is pretty quality screwdriver, stars on one end and Phillips head and flathead on the other. There's 2 screws, one on each corner. Let's unzip them real quick. I bought a drill. I literally almost bought a drill.
I'll go ahead and take off this 2 from so you can see the top of it.
It's a Snap-on crate, I guess. I'm gonna take the screws out.
Excuse the mess around the table. We just got done Christmas shopping. Well, I just got done Christmas shopping.
Take it out of the box here. Look at this thing. Snap-on all 4 corners of it. Pretty sweet. Another box to open. In this box it says screwdriver, license plate frame, phone charger, window decals, keychains, and a travel mug. This is so here's some decals that it came with. And then that's pretty cool. Came with 2 of them and they're metal. Says Snap-on. There is a difference. Both of those. Like this is a phone charger. It's got all of them on it. iPhone, Android, the new Android. It's pretty cool. And then down here in the bottom, it's a Snap-on keychain. It's a quarter drive is what's holding it together.
Pretty cool.
And then as you see it here in the bottom of the box, there's 2 more boxes. I'm going to open one of them because they both are the same. It's a Snap-on travel mug. It's got a nice texture to it. Just a stainless steel mug. Yeah, my favorite thing about it is the freaking box. The display that they give you for all this is just something else. And then here's the tool that I had purchased today. It is a 1/2-inch drive. I think this is I think this is the 96 tooth. It's either 96 or 72 tooth gear in here, and it's a swivel head, or excuse me, a tilt head, click head, whatever you want to call it. Then 1/2 inch, about 2.5 foot long, maybe 2 foot. And purchased this, got this. That's gonna be it for today's video, ladies and gentlemen. Hope you guys liked my new purchase here. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great day and stay fancy.